Welcome to Bayn by Ora Developers. This is a new project that has recently gone on sale, consisting of townhouses, villas, apartments, and a vast infrastructure designed to provide the utmost comfort to all residents of this new district. Essentially, it will be a city within a city. It is located in the Ghantoot area. This is next to Palm Jebel Ali, not far from the new Maktoum Airport. The project will consist of 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, as well as 3, 4 and 5 bedroom villas. It will also include a business park, a school, a mall, sports facilities, a jogging track and a cycling track. There will be a marina and of course beautiful beaches. Technically the project belongs to Abu Dhabi, but it is located very close to Dubai. So it will connect the two Emirates. So the main features, this is the Ghantoot area. It's only 20 minutes by car to Palm Jebel Ali and 20 minutes to Expo City. Expo City is one of Dubai's new centers where there will be a large number of major company offices. It's just 25 minutes by car to the new Maktoum Airport. This will be the largest airport in the world, serving various destinations. This will also become a kind of attraction center in Dubai. And also it's about half an hour, around 30 to 40 minutes to get to Abu Dhabi. The location of the project allows for a balance between leisure and work. That is, business centers will be nearby, yes, the business districts of both cities. And of course, there will be amazing leisure opportunities as well. What will the community include? These are beautiful beaches. There will be 30 kilometers of cycling path. There will be a 7-kilometer promenade. More than 60,000 trees will be planted. In other words, almost half of this community will consist of green areas. A marina, business park, schools, and a medical center. And there will also be sports infrastructure for physical activities and an active lifestyle. There will also be a 5-star hotel. The first phase of the project includes villas and townhouses. It is almost sold out at the moment as of the publication of this video. We are waiting for the next phases. So the first phase consists of townhouses with 3 to 4 bedrooms and villas with 3, 4 or 5 bedrooms. The minimum price for townhouses is 3 million dirhams and for villas 4.5 million dirhams. That is, the prices are very affordable, especially if you compare the villas and townhouses to prices in the central popular areas of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. There will also be apartments available in the upcoming phases. At the moment, there is no information about them yet. There will be mansions located on the front line and on the hill. This means there will be the most stunning, the most beautiful sea views. If there is interest, we will provide detailed information. It will be a very diversified, varied community where it will be very pleasant and convenient to live. And in general, there is a current trend where Abu Dhabi is moving towards Dubai and Dubai is moving towards Abu Dhabi. And this entire first line along the sea is being developed with premium projects. And right now it's a unique opportunity to purchase real estate essentially on the very first line from the sea. This is always in demand, both in Dubai and in Abu Dhabi. It will always be in demand, it always sells well, it's always great for living, and it's always good for investors because prices for such properties consistently rise. Another big advantage is that this is a very diverse community that offers everything necessary for a comfortable life. As I already mentioned, there is a business park, a school, a medical center, and all kinds of facilities for an active lifestyle. And there's a marina where it will be possible to accommodate about 200 yachts. You'll be able to park them in this marina. And there will also be an entertainment area. A few words about the developer. The developer is OPA, which is known worldwide for its projects in Cyprus. This includes the famous Ayia Napa Marina project, as well as projects in Greece and Egypt. And now the Bayn project is their first project in the Emirates. Overall, this is a very, very serious and large-scale infrastructure project that will become part of the infrastructure and part of the green community of the Emirates. Let's take a closer look at the community itself. This is the entire Bayn project, which consists of several parts. This section was recently launched for sale, and almost everything here has already been sold. But if you wish, we can still find some units. So this is the residential part. That is, there will be mansions here with stunning sea views. Here you'll find villas with 3, 4 or 5 bedrooms, as well as villas and townhouses. Townhouses, just to remind you, have 3 or 4 bedrooms. And essentially the whole community is mostly low-rise with 4 to 5 floors at most. It mainly consists of villas and townhouses. There will be something like a beach club here with sports courts and swimming pools. It will be a great place to spend your time. This entire area will be launched later, but as you can see, it also mainly consists of villas, townhouses, and a certain number of buildings, more precisely residences with apartments. And this part is a kind of business park. There will be an office building here, as well as school and a clinic, in other words, everything necessary for comfortable living. This area will also be accessible to all residents. I would also like to say a few words about this section. This will be I also want to draw your attention to this part of the project. There will be a 5-star hotel here and places for kissing. There will be all kinds of restaurants and cafes here. There will be a marina for yachts. You'll be able to park your boat here. Overall, this will be a place for relaxation. Basically, it will be an entertainment center for this community. The project is located in the Ghantoot area. So if we move in this direction, here will be Palm Jebel Ali. And in that direction is Dubai. In that direction, about 25 minutes away by car, is Maktoum Airport. So in terms of logistics, everything is very convenient and close by. In this direction, we have Abu Dhabi. The project belongs to Abu Dhabi, but at the same time, it is located between the two Emirates. Very convenient. You can easily travel between the two cities. If you have some business or interest in either emirate, the project is situated right in the middle between them. Here in this community, more than 45% of the area will be occupied by trees and in general greenery and landscaping. So it will be a very green community, a pleasant place to live. And also this is the first linea, as you can see, there will also be a lagoon here. In this part, you will be able to swim. This part is intended for boats. So you can spend time both on the beach and walking along the lagoon. There will be a promenade for walks and more than 30 kilometers of bike paths. So please feel free to reach out. This is the future of the Emirates, the future of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. These kinds of low-rise communities are convenient, pleasant to live in, and have all the necessary infrastructure for a comfortable and convenient lifestyle. The project is expected to be completed in the middle of 2028. We will be happy to provide you with detailed information about the available units and the project as a whole. Feel free to ask your questions, and we'll see you again on the Nef Real Estate channel.